Hello! In today's video I will show you how to repair the tip of a broken knife. Let's go! What a shame where we've got a good knife that has the tip broken. It's just not the same when we want to use it, and we don't want to throw it away because it's actually a good knife. So we're gonna repair it. For this, what we're gonna use? We're gonna use some electric tape, color doesn't matter, and we're gonna use a little grinder like this one. And if you got something to mark, even better. Let's start. Now to make our curve, our cut, I will use a model for this. So we're gonna always take the tip of the knife, and I'm gonna use another knife that I've got here that I absolutely love as well, and I'm gonna put the two tips at the same point, okay? And then you guide the blade where it should be, more or less, and you see that will give you where to cut. Okay, so once you've got a knife that fits, that will give you a nice curve. So then we're gonna place some sellotape around and we're gonna mark it. I've placed the tape and I've now marked the curve, so all I need to do now is cut. That's it, I'm quite happy, the curve is okay. All I need to do now is to file it again. So use the weapon of your choice. If you got a stone as well, that's very good to file it, okay? The knife is now ready and filed, so I'm happy with it. It cuts very nicely, so if you have that problem, now you know what to do. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll see each other in the next video. Take care.